Drills are the first tools you grab when you need to make a hole. While these handheld tools are extremely portable and easy to use, they are not the most stable or precise instruments. For the times when you need more precision from your bit, you'll want a drill press instead. There are many products available to choose the best drill presses, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DEWALT Drill Press 2-Speed Magnetic 2-inch. In projects or trades that include metal fabrication, building steel stairs, or other major steel construction, the metal will likely be too large or heavy to haul to a workshop drill press. That's where magnetic drill presses like the DEWALT 2-inch magnetic drill press come in. When the powerful electromagnetic base is positioned on the metal to be drilled, such as a large I-beam, the magnet is activated, locking the drill press to the metal object for stability while drilling. The DEWALT Mag drill has two speed settings, 300 RPM and 450 RPM, and comes with a safety overload switch that shuts down the drill if it overheats. With a 10-amp motor and two speed settings, this model is versatile and comes with a quick release feed, a magnetic self-feed cooling tank, and a motor height adjustment. Number 2. ShopFox 13-inch benchtop drill press. ShopFox knows that most hobbyists need their workshops to be as versatile as possible. Their 13-inch benchtop drill press is designed for both drilling and sanding, which is why this 3/4 horsepower drill press turns the spindle at speeds between 250 and 3050 RPM. The 13 1/4 inch swing allows easy manipulation of large workpieces without issue, especially when sanding. The table tilts to either side up to 90 degrees, making drilling end grain on woodworking projects a snap. The only complaints we have is that there's no mechanism for switching between drilling and spindle sanding, and it is not light enough to be a portable drill press. Users have to open the lid and remove or replace a belt to make the switch between the two modes. Number 3. WEN 4212 10-inch variable speed drill press. With a large 8-inch worktable, the WEN 4212 10-inch variable speed drill press allows users to make precise holes up to 4 inches from the edge of their material. The laser guide is helpful for beginners just getting the hang of a drill press, but advanced workers are sure to find it handy as well. The worktable tilts up to 45 degrees for drilling directional holes, and the WEN drill press will drill a hole up to 2 2/5 inches deep. Users can select and lock in the exact speed needed from 530 to 3100 RPM. This bench-style drill press should be mounted to a countertop for stability. Number 4. JET JDP 17 3/4 horsepower drill press. At 198 pounds, the JET JDP 17 drill press is one burly beast. It's also much larger than some of the other models we tested at 17 inches overall. But that means you can work with larger materials and drill deeper holes with the impressive stroke length of 5 inches that you can drill with a single turn of the handle. There's almost no vibration, and every hole is accurate and precise. And changing between those speeds is easy thanks to the one-handed belt tensioning system. It's apparent when looking at things like the precision ground oversized worktable that tilts 90 degrees in both directions. Of course, this machine is a serious investment. But if you want a top-quality drill press for metal that won't let you down, this is it. Number 5. JET JDP 15B 15 bench drill press. We were pretty surprised by the JET JDP 15B drill press. Its cousin, the JDP 17, is one of our favorite drill presses, but this one falls well short of the JDP 17. Speaking of short, this machine has 3 inches of spindle travel. That's not bad, but considering that this machine is many times the price of other drill presses that aren't too far behind in spindle travel, we can't look at that favorably. The JDP 15B does have the same one-handed belt tensioning system as the JDP 17, which we liked. During assembly, the plastic connectors that hold the power button in place broke and it fell out. For a machine this expensive, we expected better quality and features. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as